Welcome everybody. Say hello. Right, we're gonna try and keep this like quiet so you can just relaxly look around the cars. And make sure you enjoy the best time, and you'll see these two quite a lot.
I can move that for 7 years, right?
Switch off to actually get to the car.
I'm starting it from here because we're about to get there. We'll go that way, and we'll go Uncle David's way. Hello. I'm back again.
So you better walk round.
No, you're fine.
Your car. Kind of like the DeLorean, guys. I'm just playing like a little humming song, so why not? Doesn't seem like an old one, but it is pretty old nowadays. Don't know what year, but try and keep this. Normally people make like little short things, but I'm going to give you a couple minutes long because I want you guys to
to see the full batch. This one's for sale. I won't get the number if you can see that. But I'm still recording though. Can I even see the interior in this? Right, cameras, you're gonna have to see what you see. I don't see it a lot. I know. My video might be long, but I'm just making sure people get to see the full view of the vehicles and what they look like. See if you can see in there, guys, because I can't.
We're going dress shopping. Come on. Bye.
Old proper interior back in the day. Love it.
Oh, George? Yeah.
Spectacular thing how it's still in this great condition, to tell you.
They're doing a physio. Alright, that's fine. Nice cat.
Yeah, see, some of the interiors I can't see of the vehicles now.
Well, don't forget when you're like that, then go see them nice things.
Yeah, that's the thing, I don't want to overdo it.
No.
Like sometimes I might just have to go clip to clip.
You want to go down to see them before you place your leaf down in there.
Yeah. This one's really high up.
They're on the back trucks.
Right, at the end of the video, when I'll probably have a review of that, or maybe another video, but then we'll keep hold of that. Right, we can't do all of the vehicles, but
Go down and see your
well, we can just like, can't look in the interior, but you can just see like the front of them. Because some people are actually in the vehicles, so I'm trying not to. Yeah, so I might just try and get like the vehicles themselves. Yeah, I know, but the old boys are like all the way at the end, which is the problem. I'm trying to make sure. So many beautiful cars. I don't know how these are still intact. Look at this one. Oh, that one's lovely. Look at the. There's a little. If you want to read that, pause to read. I'm not reading that. That's a lovely, beautiful car.
The last time I spoke
Wish I could zoom it out a bit more because I'm a bit close. I'm gonna have to walk like this because I can't fully see the car. I'm trying to show you every car with the amount of time. If you have any fan favourites, put down in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Or if you don't, just say. This one's the funny one. I have to come over here. This is the fun. Hello. This is the funny one. I love this.
You like this, don't you?
I love.
I said, really? He loves it. He loves all the old cars.
Yeah, yeah. That one there is my brother's and that one's my son's.
Right, here's a bit of view of the interior, guys. Hope you can see that. Oh, I'm running out of time. Lovely little race. Kind of like Mr. Bean's car, if you ever watched that. These just seem to... I see a lot of these, but they're quite old, though. Oh, Nan's chatting. So I'm on my own now. Yeah, but when you're doing a video, you gotta... There's so many vehicles here. Like, let me just give you a view of all the vehicles that you might see in this. So many like lovely little cars, but I don't think I can get them all. I'd love to give you interiors, but well, I do. Like this one was one of my fan favourites. I love this one. It's beautiful, even with a CD looking back. What? Yeah, well, I was moving faster than you do. There's still, look, I think these cars are leaving, so I'll get some footage for you. Yeah, I don't think I got footage of these cars. So, I think they're leaving. Yeah, look, he's leaving.
Some people come a long, long way, can.
No, but yeah, that's the exit that way.
Ah.
It's sad because I was actually going to show you the inside of that one, but they've gone.
That's why I said, don't get you old boys in case they leave.
Yeah, well, right now I'm going to go quick. Sorry if you want to have a look, you might have to pause to look. It's not that's not the best video quality, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to move as fast as I can. Get a little view of that. Car there's one. Yeah, I know. This is one of my favourites. The woody one. Right, that's the interior. Back seat with basket. Right, keep moving. Might have to just send it down there. Another little minivan. That's one of my favourites. Right, come on, we need to move. I'm just going to have to put my phone up in the sky and hopefully you can see all the cars. Because there was quite a lot of people there, so. This one I think is amazing, how this was handcrafted by somebody. Absolutely mad. Whoever made this. Got some more kind of classics. Coming up to one of my favourites. Oh. That's nice actually. God, love it. Well, no, I'll ask the man if I can I'm not going in it, but. I'm back again. I've got my recording thing.
You what? Of course you can, that's what
Yeah,
he's here
thanks.
for. Yeah. Have you sat inside it yet?
Yeah, I sat in
Yeah,
this
I thought
one.
you did.
I sat in both of them.
You like the old ones then?
Yeah, I love them.
No pictures of me though, I'm not old enough.
That's great. In the shade, this spot. Lovely, thank you.
Alright, you happy?
Yeah, right. Well, I have still tons of time now,
Alright.
so I can do all these. Not all of them. I haven't done this right.
Alright, did you film your old one?
Yeah, I asked the man if I could, and he said, "All right."
Okay, mate.
It's done all the way, okay?
I've done all that way, but I just need to do the middle row, and then I've done them all. Some of them I had to speed up a little bit.
Yeah, because quite a few have gone, aren't they?
Yeah, they do, don't they, about this time of day? Yes. Yeah.
Continue doing that.
Yeah.
Still doing that since the few they're going at.
All right, I guess I can get some last-minute footage of them.
Like the days and that, alright?
Right,
Oh, yeah, the military.
I need to go that way.
Bye, darling. Okay.
All right. Oh, my foot, my leg. I mean, oh god, I keep doing that. Sorry, guys. I think now with the amount of time I've got, I can probably get some interiorizing of cars. Beautiful thing. there's any cars you wanted me to look at, but I didn't, I'm sorry, but it's just it. By the time I post this, you might not see it. Well, you will, but it might be somewhere else. If you can see the interior, I can't. So, this is one of the beautifulest cars I've ever seen. How have they done it? Like, I've seen these in the back of cars, but I've never seen the screen. Super rare. And then obviously the best wooden interior. I love it. With leather seats, quality. One of the best ones, in my opinion. We're gonna head to Dolly. It says on the front dash. Pop my phone through the window. You might not see the interior. Me and the wind are fighting because my phone doesn't want to be in my hand. Right, see, you can. They don't really want the film quality in there. The last car, modern-y one. Lovely.
Did you get the motorbike for Russell?
Oh no, I didn't actually. Can't go too close, kids. But there we go, the motorbike for anybody who likes motorbikes. Well, thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.